Hello friends, welcome to Pepcoding. I hope all of you are happy, healthy and performing well in your life. In this video, we will discuss about the question which is asking to convert a number which is any one base and we have to convert it in any another base number. Okay, so I am taking here an example. 32 is in octal form and we have to convert it in binary form. Okay, so what will be our approach? What will be our approach? It will be like, first convert this octal to decimal. Let's say it will be x, and then convert this decimal to binary. It will be our answer. Okay, so here is one thing, that why we are converting it first in decimal then binary, and why we can't convert directly. The reason is that here are some operations, plus, minus, multiply, divide, which have to be performed during this conversion. And as these all operations are developed by the human being, and human being is very familiar with the decimal number system from a long year ago. So all these operations developed by human being are developed on the basis of decimal number system. That's why during the conversion, the involvement of the decimal number system become necessary. Okay, so I hope the approach is clear to all of you, and the reason is also clear. Now let's convert it manually. So 32 is an octal, we have to convert it in decimal first. So divided by 10, it goes 3 times, remainder will be 2. By 10 go 0 time, remainder will be 3, and then into 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, here it will be 2, here it will be 24. Adding both in decimal form, it will be equal to the 26, means 26 in decimal form. Now what we have to do? Now we have to convert this decimal form, means it is like this. And what we have to do now? Convert this 26 to binary form. Okay, so take this number and keep dividing it by 2. Okay, so it will be go 13 times, remainder is 0. It will go 6 times and remainder will be 1. Then 3 times, remainder will be 0. Then 1 time, remainder will be 1. Then 0 time, remainder will be 1. So, and when we write it, it will be in some this format: 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3 to 10 to the power 4. Okay, and it will be 1 1. Okay, second, 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear with this approach. Now let's go to the IDE and code it. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do? First, here are the number. Okay, 1 second. Here is a number, this n, and we have, which is given in D1 format, and we have to convert it into D1 base. Okay, so what we will do? First, we will convert it to any two decimal and pass the n and d1. And the answer which will be written by this, let's store it like temp. Now again what we have to do, we have to pass this temp inside the decimal to any, decimal to any, and pass this temp number with d2. Okay, and then from here we have to return the answer, return answer. Now let's write these two functions. First let's define any to decimal, any to decimal, it will be n, and here it will be the base b. And these two functions which we are defining, these have already been discussed in previous video, one entitled as the any to decimal and another entitled as the decimal to any. So if you have any problem in the implementation of this, so please go and refer those videos first. Okay, so I am here simply writing the code, initializing the answer which will be initialized as 0, power initialized as 1, and while n is greater than 0, what we have to do, find out the digit which will be the remainder when n is being divided by 10. It will be n modulo 10. Now update the answer, answer plus equal to digit into power, and now then update the power into equal to base, and now update the n equal to n divided by 10. And then what we have to do, return answer. Similarly, let's write the second function, decimal to any, and here let's pass the n and b. Okay, so here let's initialize the answer equal to 0 and power equal to 1, while n is greater than 0, digit will be n modulo b. Okay, and then let's update our answer plus equal to digit multiply with power, and power will be updated as power into equal to 10, and then n will be updated as n equal to n by b, and then we will return the answer. Okay, and now let's run this code. Okay, it has been accepted. Let's submit it. It's taking some time. Okay, what happened? Okay, so it is saying the correct answer. Okay, so I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then do hit the like button. Please subscribe our channel for more educational content like this, and please do get the notification bell on in order to get the notification when the next video is uploaded, and you will be able to upgrade your knowledge as well. Okay, bye bye, thank you, take care. Keep coding, happy coding.